Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams, coming to you with the 3Rivers market report for February 14, 2024. Happy Valentine's Day if I don't see you sooner. You know what better way to treat your loved one than to get him a home? You know, that beats a diamond any day of the week, and twice on Valentine's Day. You know, out here getting stuff done, helping people make moves. Market's still moving. We've got a lot of positives right now. I know we're coming off a down year last year, biggest down year since 2008, but houses are still being sold. Even last year, over 4,100 homes were sold. You know, so that's the only time we've went under 5,000 in Fort Wayne since about 2009, 2010. So, you know, you're going to have down years every once in a while. I think this year's going to be up. We're seeing a lot of up arrows indicating that, but we'll get right into these numbers here. Active available homes still flying off the shelves, down 8% week over week. Up 31% versus last year. New listings are down 3% week over week, but up 36% year over year. Sold homes down 6% week over week, up 17% year over year. Pendings were up 24% week over week and up 35% year over year. Median sale price came in at $240,950, showing 34% appreciation based on the value from last year comparison. Days on market came down a little bit. The market's speeding up again. 31 average, 18 median. Versus last year at this time, it was 28 and 9. Last 12 months, homes sold were 4,257. So we're still picking up a little bit, only down 15% versus last year. And last year at this time, it was 5,009 homes sold in the last 12 months. And that was the last time we were over that 5,000 mark. The next week after this, it came under that 5,000 mark, which is the first time in, I think, 12, 13 years that that's happened. So that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. We'd be glad to help out. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.